Music. Want to invest in crypto in India? Let's review CoinDCX. Links are below. CoinDCX is a leading Indian crypto platform, perfect for beginners and seasoned traders. Buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, and over 500 altcoins easily. Deposit and withdraw rupees seamlessly using UPI, bank transfers, and more. New to crypto? CoinDCX Insta lets you buy instantly with rupees. Experienced traders? CoinDCX Pro offers advanced tools, margin trading, and up to 20x leverage on futures. Competitive fees? Check. Reduce them further by holding their DCX token. Security is key. CoinDCX uses 2FA, withdrawal whitelisting, and ensures stored assets. They also adhere to strict compliance regulations. Want passive income? Earn interest by staking your crypto with Earn with CoinDCX. The user-friendly interface and DCX Learn resources make it great for beginners. While some users report occasional customer support delays, CoinDCX offers a solid blend of simplicity, security, and advanced features. Interested? Check the description for links and more.